Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for handmade wooden furniture business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or your website type. So for example, let's choose this. Wait a few seconds. Here you can, if you wanna edit your business, you can add your business name here. Type any business name you want. Do you already have an online store? No. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, services, digital products, and print on demand products. So let's move on. What would you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app, and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. Design your sites. Click here. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Here enter your information, the name of your business, your email, your address, and your phone. Here if you wanna add some social link. So let's move on. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage design. So for example, these. Add some pages to your site. Now wait a few seconds. Preparing the homepage design, the homepage website. So now your site is ready and running. So if you want to edit more your site, click here. So this is your homepage website. So if you want to add some elements, click here. So the first element here, the text elements, you can edit the size or the shape of the text, the titles or the paragraphs. So select any text you want or any title and put it on your homepage at any place you want. Now let's move on to the next elements, the image elements. Here if you're looking for something, if you want to upload image or import image, if you're looking for free Wix image. So let's move on to the button section. Here if you want to add some themed buttons, you can also. So if you want to edit your buttons here, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, and the items buttons. So if you want to edit some buttons here, the shape or the form of the button, you can add it on your website homepage at any place. Here you find the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your website homepage. Let's move on to the strip elements. You find here the classic, the featured, the about, services, contact, and welcome, testimonials, and theme. You can just select any one here you want and put it on your home page. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, the rows and the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. The next elements, the vector art. If you want to add some featured icons and animals and nature, logos and the badges, and the characters. Here you find the video elements, the video box and the video mask and transparent video. You can just select any one you want here. Now let's move on to the boxes elements, the themed boxes. You can edit the container boxes and the hover boxes and the tabs. You find here the gallery elements. if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. Now let's move on to the menu and the anchor elements. You can edit your themed menus, horizontal menus, and the vertical menus. Here you find the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu. And here you find the search and the site search elements. You can just select any one here you want. So let's move on to the contact and forms. So this is all the forms you have: the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, application forms, feedback forms, or request or waiver or subscribe forms. Select any one of them and put it on your home page. uh, Here, if you want to add some normal maps or full width maps. And the last thing here is the chat, the Wix chat or the line button. So let's move on to the video and music. The video elements here: the single video players or the Wix video, video box, video mask, and transparent video. Here you find also the music elements: the audio players, the Wix music, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So add anything you want on your home page. So that's it. Let's move on to the interactive, the slideshows, the light boxes, and the boxes. Here you find the repeaters. You can add some hover repeaters. Let's move on to the list. If you want to add some hover repeaters or blank repeaters, just select any one you want, put it on your home page. Here you find the embed code. If you want to custom some popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, here you can also edit your audio elements. Just if you want to add some SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. Here you find the advanced elements, the marketing tools, or the Velo Dev mode. You can add something, anything you want here. Here you find the animation elements. So let's move on to the social bar. You can add the Facebook bar or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line. And the last here is YouTube. You can add your channel at any place you want on your website. Now let's move on to the payments, the payments button, the payments forms. Here the pricing and the pricing plans. And the last here the store elements. You can edit your element store here. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site content, if you want to if you want to edit your blog elements, if you want to edit your store elements, and here the bookings elements and the related elements and the pricing plans. Now let's move on to the events. You can create and manage events, the community, and your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add some sections, click here, select any section you want from here and put it on your home page website. Now here if you want to add some page and menu, so you can select any page you want. Now let's move on here to site design. If you want to design your site, you can customize your site design. If you want to edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Now let's move on here. If you want to add some apps, if you want to manage your business here, and here if you want to upload your media, you can edit the images and videos. Also here if you're looking for free Wix images or free Wix videos, here the same as if you want to easily manage your site content. And the last here is marketing and SEO. If you want to edit the Google ads or the Facebook ads, SEO and social media marketing, and the marketing integrations. So after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.